Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Manoj. We shall see today about commodities. Commodities. People usually trade in commodities. Which are the kinds of commodities we need to trade is? Focus on only natural gas, silver mini, gold mini, and something like. You can focus on crude oil. Very important commodity usually people trade is crude oil. Commodities, it's a very good platform we can say to hedge our portfolio. Why commodities market is needed is, let's say you purchase 1 kg of physical gold. Let's say you're running one gold jewelry shop. Let's say you purchase 1 kg of gold. If gold prices falls down, so what can you do? So you'll incur huge losses, right? So that's the reason we need commodities market. So definitely in the commodities market we can hedge our physical gold or physical silver. So definitely we need commodities market. So most of the people trade in crude oil, silver mini, gold mini and natural gas. So note down the lot sizes for each. Gold mini lot size is 10. Please note it down. Silver mini lot size is 5 and natural gas lot size is 1250 and crude oil crude oil lot size is 100. So for each point you capture in crude oil you can make 100 rupees. For each point you capture in natural gas you make 1250 rupees, and for each point you capture in gold you make 10 rupees, and for each point in silver you make 5 rupees. So which I suggest you is crude oil and natural gas and gold. So silver you can trade, but the volatility is so huge in silver. So even in crude oil, so don't trade on Wednesday night. So Wednesday evening don't trade in crude oil. Reason is there will be inventory data coming from USA. So definitely this will affect the crude oil prices very drastically, and you can expect a huge volatility in crude oil. That's the reason don't trade crude oil on Wednesday and Thursday. So I expect some. So there is one more inventory data coming for natural gas, that is on Thursday. So Thursday don't trade natural gas, Wednesday don't trade crude oil. So remaining days you can definitely trade in commodities. So amount required to trade in crude oil is around 11,000. Amount required to trade in silver mini is around 12,000. Gold mini again 12,000. Natural gas again like 15,000. So these are all the margin I am telling for intraday based trading. For carry forward you need somewhere near 50,000 for all these things. So for intraday trading somewhere near 12 to 15k would be sufficient to trade. So if you guess some minimal points you can make some profits. So silver you can expect 1000 to 2000 points movement. I'm just telling based on rough figure I'm telling. Crude oil you can expect 50 points. So 50 points means if you guess 20 points per day, 20 into 100 lot says 2000 you can make in crude oil. Natural gas per day 8 rupees movement comes. So 8 rupees means 8 into 1250, somewhere near 10,000. So in this you can guess 3 to 4 rupees it's sufficient. So 4 rupees if you guess also it will be somewhere near 5k you can make a profits. So silver if you guess 1000 points, so it is very tough to guess 1000 points. Let's say 500 points, 500 into 5 you can make 2500 rupees profit, but you think downside also. So while trading in commodities definitely you need to have some technical indicators and tools, then only you trade in commodities. So commodities, very important point to note is after 5 p.m. only the movement starts. Don't trade commodities before 5 p.m. So always start trading in commodities after 5 p.m. only. So the drastic movement comes after 7 p.m. So 5 p.m. you can take a entry point in the commodities. So let us see guys some more information about commodities. So I have opened Trade Genie margin file. So you can just go to Google and type Trade Genie commodities margin file. So there are many brokers who gives the margin file across India. All brokers give same margin. So you can go to TradeGenie, you can go to Angel, you can go to Allies Blue, Zerodha, wherever you go. So the margin required is same. So for gold mini, which are the things I suggested to trade? Only in gold mini, silver mini, and crude oil and natural gas. These four things you can trade. Don't trade in other things like agriculture related products like cotton, kapas, and all. So only if you have a physical cotton, so then only you can do the hedging using these things. So why I'm not suggesting this agriculture related products is the volatility and liquidity is very less in this. So don't trade in these things. So if you trade also, you'll definitely experience a lot of problem. That's the reason don't avoid trading in those things. So you can see the silver mini, you can see silver M. So lot size is 5. So amount required is somewhere near 46,000 for carry forward. If you want to do intraday, divide 46,599 by 4, 25% of a total margin. So if you divide by 4, you'll get 25%, right? So 25% of a total margin is required just to trade in intraday. If you want to do intraday silver mini, you need around 12,000. For gold mini, you need around 12,000. For crude oil, so for crude oil you need somewhere near 11,000. 11,000 you need for crude oil. For natural gas you need somewhere near 12,000. So if you have somewhere near 15k in your demat or trading account, you can start trading in commodities. So keep in mind the commodity market is very volatile, not like equity. Nowadays equity has also become very volatile, but commodity is way volatile than equity markets. So to see the charts you can use tradingview.com. So this I have opened some, see this is a crude oil thing. So this is a silver. Let's say you want to see crude oil, just type crude. So just type crude futures. So February contract. So this is a crude oil chart. You can change the chart, and if you want to put indicators, you can put going to this f of x. So you can modify anything. So you can start trading in commodities. So in evening times after 5 p.m. only start trading, because in the morning there will be not much volatility. So now the time is around 7 p.m. so that volatility you can see. So after 7 the movement will be very fast. After 5 p.m. only the movement comes in commodities market, and you can trade up to night 11:55 up to. So it is throughout the day. So commodities market opens at 9 a.m. and it stays up to night 11:55. So that means it's a pm only. So definitely you can trade in commodities, have a better trading setup. So commodity market may definitely you can earn well. Only thing that you need to have a patience, and you have to have a time to trade in commodities. If you don't have time much, never trade in commodities. So stop loss will not be respected in commodities. This is one thing. Let's say you have kept a stop loss here, you can see this. See, stop loss will not be respected in commodities market. This is the one very bad thing. Say it has hit your stop loss and then gone up. So why this happens is you know the things. So these manipulations are very common. So they big investors or big traders, they manipulate the things. They will eat off or trigger everyone's stop loss, then they take it higher. So those things are very common in stock market. I hope this video was very informative. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, and please for any doubts you can visit my institute, TD Academy, Bangalore.